Hello, good afternoon, watcher. I am Hannah Padilla, and today I will show you my favorite leisure activities. 3 types of favorite leisure activities. So keep watching.
Hana, tuwing kailan ka nagbabike?
Every morning.
Hana, bakit ka nagbabike every morning?
Because nakakabawas to ng stress and it benefits cardiovascular fitness. And also, nakakapunta ako gamit ang bike sa mga kaibigan ko, sa family ko, sa pinsan ko, ayun. Yun lang.
Hello, Hana. Ano nilalaro mo?
Nilalaro ko ng Block Blast.
Mahirap ba siya laruin?
Hindi naman. Enjoyable na eh.
Okay po. Hana, bakit naglalaro ka ng Black Plus?
Nilalaro ko nito dahil nakakabawas to ng stress. And, ayun, kapag wala akong ginagawa, ito yung nilalaro ko. Tsaka, it benefits stress relief and develops critical thinking. So, ayun, mahalaga to dahil it's relaxing and fun.
Okay po. Hana, why you love taking pictures?
Because it preserves memories, like sa picture ng parents nyo, sa picture ng friends mo, yun. Kaya ako nagpipicture dahil ayun, para makabuo ng memories sa aking friends and family, and I love it. Kapag namimiss ko sila, lagi lang ako nakatingin sa gallery, tinitignan yung picture nila. Yun lang. So, these are my favorite leisure activities: playing Black Blast, biking, and photography. And this empowering me to recharge, to focus, and rediscover joy. That's all. Thank you for watching.